Yep, you did it again. You clicked on another video. Thank you so much. Well, I know you're ready to grow, so let's get started and let's go. Grow, eco neighbor. Grow, 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 eco neighbor. Grow, 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 eco neighbor. Grow, 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 eco neighbor. Okay, fam, today I just want to let you know we got a cold 17 in the garden today again, and we're going to try to go in and step in here with this alocasia over here. We just recently had some hurricanes, some tropical storms to go through, and with all the water, we had a fallen soldier, and the soldier is falling, and we're going to see if we can come in and lend a helping hand and try to get this soldier back on his feet. So let's go and let's keep on growing. Let's roll. So like I was saying, we had some recent rain, quite a bit of rain, and as you can see, we got a fallen soldier. They used to stand about at least 7 foot tall, but now it's taking a fall for the worse. We got a hydrangea trying to grow in the midst of all of this, but let's go back here. If you notice, what has happened is because of the wet weather and the rain, it's uprooted. And basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to have to cut it. And I'm going to take it, I'm going to cut it with my shovel, and I'm going to take off the tops of the plant, and we're going to replant it, and hopefully we can save this one. I definitely believe we can save this one. So let's go. So the item that I'm using, I got a couple of items. This first one is this shovel. When I do any type of major digging, I love this shovel. One thing about the shovel, it has a place that I could put my feet, and yes, I do use it, as you can see. I like it because when I'm digging into the ground, when I'm cutting through roots, I can easily go deep without a lot of effort. Another thing, I like this extension. If you notice this is all metal right here. I really like this because I break a lot of shovels. I got broken shovels all over the place. But this one seems to last a little bit longer because it has this reinforcement right here, all the way up to here. Normally the shovels break about right here for me, but this one in particular, it lasts a little bit longer, and it has a little gripping piece. That's not a real big thing, but what's big to me is definitely this this extension, a shovel. It saves me from breaking handles, and this is a razorback shovel, but I really like this one. So that's one of the tools. And my last item, garden shears. So I got my gloves, got my shovel, and garden shears. All right, let's trim it up a little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and dig this out, and then we'll come back once I get this pulled out, okay?
Grow, grow, grow. That's the sound of a man working in the garden. Grow, grow. That's the sound of a man working in the garden. Grow, grow. That's the sound of a man working in the garden. Grow, that's the sound of a man working in the garden. And all day long they singing. Grow, ma 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 ma. Grow, 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 grow. That's the sound of a man working in the garden. Grow, grow. That's the sound of a man working in the garden. That's the sound of a man working in the dark. Then that's the sound of a man working in the dark. Then all day long they singing.
So there it is. That's a big old root right there. And if you look at this one right here, is probably about 7 feet, probably about 7 feet tall. You stretch it out. Just kind of give you a look. It's not my biggest one, but it's one of the biggest ones. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna trim it out. We're gonna take all that off the top. We're gonna dig another hole. It's gonna be a big hole though. Just to kind of show you the size of that root. That root is like here. Yeah, a serious root. But it fell over, and we're gonna plant it so it'll be ready to go for next year. So I just wanted to share with you my code 17 in the garden today. But I think we can save old soldier. He'll be ready for next spring. Y'all be well, and don't forget to keep on growing.